Hi there, my scrappy friends. So I come here to you today with ideas for summer scrapping on the go. I don't know about you, but I do like to stick to a few items to document my holidays. So I'm a teacher. I'm going to start my holidays very soon now, and I have a full month of holidays that I can enjoy, and I do plan to use specific things and document my holidays in a specific place. So if you go back in my channel, I've done this every year. There are years where I worked on albums, really big albums, because I was enjoying doing 12 by 12 layouts, but lately I have been working in traveler's journals, and hence the name Traveler's Journals. They are the perfect thing to take with you on holiday if you are on the go. And this year I've chosen a Simple Stories Carpe Diem Traveler's Journal. I chose this Aztec one, which is really pretty. I am super in love with this. And what I like about these journals is that they are a little bit wider than the normal Traveler's Journal. If you compare the notebooks, you get about half an inch, or a bit more than half an inch extra on the side. So I'm excited about that, because I sometimes find that I lack space to put everything that I want to put on the page. I have 3 notebooks in this cover. I'll try to stick to using 2, but you never know. I already have printed quite some pictures, although I haven't started my holidays. The summer season has started, the pool's open, and I have been taking pictures anyway. So I put everything in this box. So this is basically what I've chosen to use this summer, and I plan to take with me when I go on holiday, because I do spend some days in my country. I'm from Malta, but I live in Spain, and I do go visit my family for a few days. And I like to take scrapbooking stuff with me, because I have a lot of time in the mornings to do scrapbooking. And last year I bought the Create 365 bag, and this was amazing. This bag is really great. I do suggest you buy it if you like to scrap on the go, and if you manage to be minimalist, because the bag is limited. It's not one of these We Are Memory Keepers big trolleys. When you go on a flight, you can't really take a big trolley with you, but I managed to always put this bag in my big luggage, and I am limited with weight, so I have to be really careful what I take with me. This was perfect for last year. Plan to use it this year. These bags have 2 compartments, and the compartments are perfect to store all your crafty goodies. I'm going to show you very briefly, but if you go back in my channel, I do a full review and unboxing of this bag. Love the bag, totally recommendable. Now, what materials am I thinking about using? First of all, inks and stamps. So I just bought these mini inks. One is the StazOn. I was interested in buying this because I want to be able to stamp directly on my pictures, and the other one that I have is the Memento. So just in case this one does not have the black that I'm looking for, I have this one, and I think it's very comfortable to use. Then as regards stamps, for now I bought a Spanish set of stamps. This is a Spanish brand. It's called Mintopia. So we have 3 or 4 big Spanish brands here. They create their own stuff. One is Mintopia, another one is called Lora by Lora. We have Coco Loco, we have Aluacid. Well, I think more than 4. But anyway, my favorites tend to be the Mintopia and the Lora by Lora ones. So I'm taking this Alpha stamp, this Spanish themed, summer themed Spanish stamp, and then I was also considering taking Jane Davenport's stamps with me. I might do a bit of drawing. I'm not really sure, but I do want to get into drawing again. Then adhesives and basic things. Might take the glossy accents, but I'm not sure. This bottle is a bit too big for my liking, but I do need a liquid adhesive, so I'm not very sure if I'm gonna take this or not. Scissors, 1 pair of scissors is enough. More adhesive, I'll take my Zig 2-way glue. I love this one for very tiny things. So if you're using tiny die cuts that you need to stick, this is great. It's got quite a thin tip, and it sticks very well. I'm very happy with this. And then, in order not to take my big chunky basil tape runner, I've bought this one. From all the smaller tape runners, this is my favorite. It goes on the paper really smoothly, it doesn't get stuck, and I really like it. And yeah, I'm gonna take this one with me. And then let me just move things about. I have bought these wood veneers. They are in Spanish and they are from the brand Mintopia. I just showed a haul. I know it's in Spanish. I'm really sorry because I'm lacking time and I couldn't film it again in English. But anyway, if you want to see them closer, you can look at the haul. So they are like neutral themed, but there's a bit of everything. Selfie, words that are related to photos. I like the fact that they are not very, very thick, so they are perfect for traveler's journals. Here you can see they are not very thick and they are super, super cute. This one says always together in Spanish, siempre juntos, with the hashtag that is so trendy right now. So I might just put them all in one packet and take them with me. Then I'll take a few doilies, why not? I'll take a few die cuts. I bought 2 packets of die cuts for the summer. One is the Doodlebug Hello Collection die cut pack. This comes jam-packed. It's 101 pieces in a pack, and most of them have foil. Some of them are acetate, plasticky die cuts. So really happy with this. And I'll also take this one. This is last year's Laura by Laura summer collection. It was called Per Laura. And I like it because it has specific Spanish summer elements. Let me see if I can focus this. Yes. So you have the paella. You have the typical ice creams that they take here. And then you have a lot of phrases in Spanish. So really like this. And then I also bought this happy memory keeping. If I go abroad and I'm still doing the memory keeping, I'll just take out the pages from my memory planner, and I might just take some pages out of this sticker book. I'm not worried that it's going to just fall into pieces because it's got a hole here and I can simply slide a ring in and nothing gets lost, and I don't have to take the full book with me because this weighs quite a lot. More about stickers. I also bought the mini icons from the Doodlebug collection. There are 2 sheets here. Then washi. I'll probably take a few sheets of washi, not the full rolls because it's a bit of a pain taking the rolls. I bought this one as well. This is, I think, a Polish brand. I'm not even going to try and say the name of this brand because I'll totally destroy it, but they are selling here in Spain and I liked the stickers. They were summer themed stickers. Then a few more stickers that I have. I wanted to show you this idea, maybe you like it. I had a bit of leftover stickers from previous years. For example, the Oasis collection and a very old Echo Park collection, a Simple Stories collection. And what I did was I emptied a full sheet of stickers and I put them all together in one sheet. And I'm gonna try and make a big effort to use them up. I want to use them up this summer and I want to get rid of them. And they are very pretty. I haven't used them so far, and I think this is a great way of being able to take more in a smaller space. You have to be careful because once you stick them back on another sheet of paper, they are not as sticky. So I might have to add a little bit of glue to these, but they are a bit more comfortable to transport. So I don't have to take like big sheets of stickers like that. Puffy stickers from Felicity Jane. Might not use them because this does add a lot of dimension to the notebooks and we have to be careful with dimensions. I bought the Chamel patches. I really like these and I'm thinking about decorating like the outer cover with this. I might not. I have to think about it. More washi tape strips. And then final idea that I'm gonna give you, since I know that I'm gonna be working in a traveler's notebook, what I've done is I've selected the papers that I want to work with, and they were from the Felicity Jane, and I've cut them out in the perfect size for the traveler's notebooks. So anytime that I'm working, I have the paper cut out. I can stick it directly there, and I don't need to take this, which is a bit of a pain, taking your paper trimmer. I've cut them out and I have them ready to use. So you might find this idea useful. These are the papers that I'm thinking about using for the summer. I got them in one of the Felicity Jane sales, because here in Spain, unless they're on sale, we can't really afford them because the shipping expenses are insane. Then I have leftovers from these papers. These longer strips of paper I will probably save to use for layouts. And then the leftovers are also interesting because not this, but these were the leftover papers from the ones that I cut out for the notebooks, and they are perfect for matting photos on. The photos that I print for my traveler's journal, they're always smaller than this. So yeah, this is perfect. And then I had one big sheet of cut aparts that I cut down to make it easier to put in the kit. And like this, I think it's much easier to work and have everything at hand. I might take these frames from an older toga collection. My sister gave them to me as a present last year. Puffy stickers from Felicity Jane. And I think that's it. And a few enamel dots if I'm traveling. Here at home, I'll try to use my Nuvo drops. And then stuff like pens, pencils. But basically, I think that all of this that I've just showed you will fit perfectly in my bag. So if I go abroad, I can take everything with me and just scrap on the go. And I'm gonna stop here for today. I hope this has given you some ideas about how you can create your own kit to be able to scrap on the go and enjoy your craft during your holidays. And I'll see you back with more very soon. Bye!